Why can't a huge airplane just back up on its own? Why does it need a small vehicle to push it away from the gate? At airports across the US, you see this all the time. The plane is ready to leave the gate, and a pushback tug pulls up first. Some people wonder, doesn't the airplane have thrust reversers? If they can create reverse thrust, why can't the plane just back itself up? After landing, pilots can deploy thrust reversers. They redirect the engine's airflow to help the airplane slow down quickly. But being able to slow down doesn't mean the airplane has a reverse gear. Using reverse thrust near the gate would blast powerful airflow across the ramp. Loose gravel and other debris could get blown into the air. Nearby ground crews and vehicles could also be affected. And it gets worse. Those loose objects could hit the airplane, or even get sucked back into the engines. Some older airliners did try using engine power to back away from the gate, but the practice was gradually abandoned. The area behind an airplane is much more complicated than an open runway. An engine can provide the power, but it can't help the pilot see what's behind them. That's why modern airliners use a pushback tug to move away from the gate. The tug connects to the nose gear and slowly pushes the airplane into a safe position. If there were no tug, what do you think would happen if a giant airliner tried to back itself up using its engines?